The volume of traffic in the Port of Hamburg is growing rapidly, which is why it's of vital importance to the Hamburg Port Authority to manage this traffic using cutting-edge IT systems. And that's where the Port Road Management Center comes in. What information can you see here? What is all this data? It provides an overview of all types of traffic data, using traffic signals, Bluetooth and video monitoring, and we collect all this data here at the Port Road Management Center. We process it and then post it on the screens here. And that's what you can see here. On the left, we have the video streams from various traffic hotspots, so we can see if the data we're broadcasting is correct. And here you can see all sorts of technical details, like which signals are working correctly, the state of the motorways, the traffic jams are in red and yellow. And then you can see the information we put up on the DIVA traffic info boards. We're now standing in front of one of the 16 DIVA info boards around the Port of Hamburg. Where does the name DIVA come from? DIVA stands for Traffic Level Dynamic Information System, and that's what it shows. We put up anything that's relevant, anything that might make you want to take another route, or make changes to your itinerary, maybe make you take a break. Speed and journey time are important factors in determining traffic quality in the Port of Hamburg. We measure journey times using smartphones or hands-free systems, all anonymous. We don't know who's using it. They pass one of these devices, and then a second one, and then pass the Bluetooth detector, and then we know how long it's taken them to get from A to B. And from that we can work out what the traffic situation is like. So now we've come to what you could call the gateway to Hamburg, 30 kilometers towards Bremen on the A1, and here's a DIVA board. Why here? Well, in part because of the service station Hamburg Süd, and because from here you can make a range of route choices. We inform drivers what the traffic situation is like heading into the Port of Hamburg and about big events, so they can decide which route to take or maybe even to stay here for the moment. So you're taking the smart board philosophy far beyond the limits of the Port of Hamburg to the surrounding region. That's right, we want to influence the traffic heading for the Port of Hamburg. We do that beyond the borders of the port, for all traffic flowing in that direction, and to keep those drivers well informed. The Port of Hamburg is well prepared for the traffic of the future. See you next time. And tschüss, as we say in Hamburg.